Good morning.
Good morning. Setting up a field.
Setting up a field. Look at these guys. Hard at work.
By the time we get there at practice and everything, we don't need to be goofing off at practice or nothing like that. Every single time we step out on the field to play paintball at World Cup, it needs to be like it's our last time on that field together, no matter what. Every single time we're out there.
No cursing. Heard.
Running some circuits. We've actually been doing drills all morning. And Thomas Taylor said he wanted to say something to y'all out there.
What's up?
He wanted to say what's up. That's it.
As far as comms, like, is there anything to do with that?
I think it's hard for me to see from the crow's nest. It's so Rich, you got any words for it?
Just back from World Cup 2024, NYX narrowly beats out the Hurricanes for 1-2 victory. Thanks for a great game, guys.
We talked about it on the Thursday night meeting, right? Like, if CJ, when you come through, if you look at him, you would have shot the guy going under him.
What shot him? Was it the snake? So we're at the end of the day, and I see Bailey's priority. Roll Tide.
Did it together.
Yes. Okay.
I heard you go.
Say that again.
Like, yeah,
Say that again.
I kind of like that. It wasn't what needed to happen, but at least we did it together.
That's right. Good. There's the positive. I love it. I bet you no one can tell who is standing. No, you're not supposed to turn around, Josh. No one can tell who's standing in front of me.
The guy with the one hat. The guy who wears one hat.
CFP sucks. Yeah. I'm like, if you're just gonna go to the snake, just whatever, don't die. Don't die. Get shot.
Go on your feet.
But yeah.
Day 2. So we got only 6 guys today. Well, 5 guys on the team and 1 guy who's helping us out, Drew Heyer. We're missing Bailey. We're missing Nick, Mike Brown, and Daniel Camp. And the guys are working hard. Fun day, but a lot of good work's been done, and I'm really pleased with that. But it's going to be a good day. I can't see it. I don't see anything.
A few moments later.
It's an island drill.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Fives and threes.
So Britt just came up with a really intelligent thing to do. Is we get on a Zoom call and we all yell at each other a bunch of stuff, and then everyone has to repeat what they heard. Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, right? Isn't it, Britt? Yeah. That's high level thinking. We actually just improved the system already. This is 5 seconds later. So we're gonna get on a Zoom call, everyone yells, and then everyone texts me what they heard, and then I grade them on what was accurate. Of course, you know the hole in that system, but just the same, it's a great idea. We've solved the problem. What I do is I email them what they're supposed to yell. Each of the 5 guys are yelling the things that I told them to yell, and then everyone else has to text what the other 4 said, and then I grade them. There it is.